Everyone and welcome. In this video, we're going to be looking at the prominent AI, Deepseek AI and Chatgpt. We're going to compare and contrast the two in every way possible. So let's look at them. Deepseek and Chatgpt are both advanced AI models designed to assist users with a variety of tasks, but they have distinct differences in their design, capabilities, and use cases. So we're going to look at a comparison and contrast of the two. Let's start with development and purpose. Let's check their development and purpose. Deepseek was developed by Deepseek Artificial Intelligence Corporation Limited. Deepseek is a Chinese AI company focused on creating intelligent solutions for various industries, including healthcare, finance, and education. Deepseek's models are tailored for specific applications such as medical diagnosis, financial analysis, and personalized learning. While Chatgpt, let's look at development, was developed by OpenAI. Chatgpt is a general-purpose conversational AI model designed to assist with a wide range of tasks, including answering questions, generating content, coding, and providing recommendations. It is part of OpenAI's GPT. GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. It's a series which emphasizes natural language understanding and generation. Now let us examine its architecture. Deepseek's architecture is optimized for domain-specific tasks. It may incorporate specialized models for handling industry-specific data, such as medical imaging or financial data sets. The exact architecture is not publicly disclosed, but it is likely fine-tuned for precision in its target domains. Let's look at Chatgpt. Chatgpt is based on the GPT architecture, specifically GPT 3.5 or GPT-4. It uses a transformer-based model trained on a diverse dataset to generate human-like text. Its strength lies in its generalizability. Sorry about that. Like a tongue twister. In its generalizability, and ability to handle a wide range of topics. That's kind of funny. The fact that my tongue kept twisting while trying to pronounce that word. Moving on, let's look at its training data. For Deepseek training data is likely curated to include domain-specific information such as medical journals, financial reports, or educational materials. This ensures high accuracy and relevance in its specialized application. While Chatgpt is trained on a broad dataset that includes books, websites, and other publicly available texts, this allows it to handle a wide variety of topics but may result in less precision in highly specialized fields. Let's look at its use cases. Deepseek is primarily used in industries requiring high accuracy and domain expertise, such as healthcare, e.g. medical imaging analysis, finance, e.g. risk assessment, and education, e.g. personalized tutoring. While for Chatgpt, it is versatile and can be used for general purpose tasks like content creation, customer support, coding assistance, and casual conversation. It is not limited to specific industries. Let's look at their strengths. For Deepseek has high accuracy in domain-specific tasks. It is tailored for industries requiring specialized knowledge. It likely incorporates multimodal capabilities, e.g. text and image processing, and it does actually. You can send in some images too. Well, let's look at Chatgpt. The strengths of Chatgpt are 1. Broad knowledge base across diverse topics, strong natural language generation and understanding, and easy to use for general purpose applications. Let's look at their limitations or weaknesses. For Deepseek, it is less versatile outside the specialized domain. It also may require significant customization for new use cases. While for Chatgpt, it may lack depth in highly specialized fields, and it can generate incorrect or nonsensical answers due to its generalist nature. It seems for whatever reason I keep getting this tongue twisting stuff. Anyway, let's move on to the next one. Kind of makes life fun. So the seventh thing we're going to examine is accessibility. Deepseek. Deepseek likely targeted at enterprise clients and specific industries with limited public accessibility, while Chatgpt is widely accessible to the public through the OpenAI's API and platforms like Chatgpt Plus. Let's look at the ethical and safety considerations. For Deepseek, as a domain-specific AI, Deepseek may face ethical challenges related to data privacy, e.g. medical or financial data, and the potential for misuse in sensitive industries. While for Chatgpt, OpenAI has implemented safety measures to reduce harmful output, but Chatgpt can still generate biased or inappropriate content due to its training on diverse and unfiltered data. In conclusion, Deepseek excels in specialized, industry-specific applications where precision and domain expertise are critical, while for Chatgpt, it is a generalist AI that shines in versatility and broad applicability across a wide range of tasks. So you can see that both models represent significant advancement in AI, but they just cater to different needs and audiences. So I hope you found this video helpful, and I apologize once again for the tongue twisting. Like I said, it can miss life.